Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Kanguru Defender 3000, a USB drive that promises top-tier security and robust features for safeguarding your data.
Whether you're in business, healthcare, or government, this drive claims to offer the ultimate protection. Let's see if it lives up to the hype.
The Kanguru Defender 3000 isn't your average USB stick, it's built like a tank with a sleek, all-metal design. Despite its compact size, it packs some serious security punch. Certified to FIPS 140-2 Level 3, it boasts AES 256-bit hardware encryption in XTS mode,
making it virtually impenetrable to unauthorized access. First off, let's talk about design.
It's encased in a durable, all-metal alloy with a secure USB Type-A connector, which is great for compatibility across various devices. The drive is water-resistant with a sealed cap, so it can handle some rough treatment while keeping your data safe.
Moving on to features, this drive is loaded. It includes a command console for managing settings directly on the drive, and for IT administrators. There's the Kanguru Remote Management Console to oversee multiple drives remotely.
It even has onboard antivirus and USB to cloud compatibility for secure backups. In terms of performance, the Defender 3000 doesn't disappoint. With USB 3.0 technology, it offers fast data transfer speeds and performs admirably in benchmarks like Crystal Diskmark and AJA. It's designed to handle large files with ease, which is crucial for professionals needing quick access to sensitive information. Let's break down the pros. Ultra secure with FIPS certification, rugged build quality, and excellent performance metrics. On the downside, it's on the pricier side compared to standard USB drives, and some advanced features may require additional subscriptions. So, should you invest in the Kanguru Defender 3000? If data security is non-negotiable for you or your organization, absolutely. It's tailored for environments where protecting sensitive information is paramount, offering peace of mind with its robust encryption and management features. To wrap it up, the Kanguru Defender 3000 is a powerhouse in secure USB storage. It's not just about keeping data safe, it's about doing so with efficiency and ease of use. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option or don't need the highest level of security, there are more affordable alternatives out there. That concludes our review of the Kanguru Defender 3000. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product reviews.
Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.